Hello everyone, if you don't know me already, I'm Tara, the dance doctor. Welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to be doing another Learn by Doing lesson where you just follow along with me after this introduction until the outro. You will not hear my voice. You will just be following along with me. To make it easier to follow along and learn the movements that I am doing, I'm doing halftime first and then real time. We're going to be starting this video with a body movement warm-up, utilizing a lot of the movements that we use when we are dancing bachata. If any of those movements are difficult or perplexing for you, I do recommend that you become a member of the basic tier of my Patreon page, which is only $5 a month. There I have a hip movement fundamentals series where I cover every single hip movement that is included in the warm-up plus others, and I really show you in great detail how to apply them to your bachata basics. So if that sounds like something that you need, go ahead and sign up for the basic tier. It's only $5 a month, and it's an incredible value. You get access to that series as well as several other series and quick tip lessons that I have uploaded over the years. Also, I just want to mention, you may have noticed my super cute Fuego wedges. If you are in the market for some dance tennies, look no further. Fuego has got you. I absolutely love these wedges because I have a pretty short, compact body, and I love any way that I can use to elongate the lines of my legs without having the discomfort of heels. As always, these Fuego shoes have the dual pivot point on the bottom, which makes it easier for you to turn. I absolutely love these shoes. They feel like wearing air, and I like the little added lift that I get. So you can get yours at a 10% discount using my code DanceDoctor10 on the Fuego website. I also want to mention really quickly, if you love dancing with me, you will love dancing with me in Havana. I still have spots available in my June and September Havana dance retreats. If you are interested, if that sounds like a dream of yours that you've always wanted to do, come with me. I'm going to make it the trip of a lifetime. There's a reason that people come back 2, 3, 4 times again with me, because I make it a really magical experience for you. So if you want to go transform your dancing, change your life, have the trip of a lifetime, go to my website, ddretreats.com, or email me at dancedoctoronline@gmail.com, and we can set up a virtual meeting to talk about all the details. Now, without further ado, let's get dancing.
Vigilante del amor que le ofrecí, puro sentimiento, mi mujer mía es así. Le entregué mi cora que sobraba a su merced, atrapado con mi espalda contra la pared. Acariciarte sin lamento, persiguiéndote momento. Te amo ciegamente, navegando por tu cuerpo, lamiendo mi cuello, me entrego a tu voluntad, bajo tu hechizo y no me dejas escapar. Inolvidable, inolvidable, una maravilla que nunca podría negar. Inolvidable, y en un trance, una sonrisa que alumbra ese lugar. Inolvidable, bebé, inolvidable, bebé, inolvidable, inolvidable, una maravilla que no puedo faltar. Me entregaré a ti, muy despacito, mami. Ya no aguanto más las ganas esperándote aquí. Quiero desnudarte enterita, ese cuerpito de miel, y saborearte lentamente por toda tu piel. Acariciarte sin lamento, persiguiéndote momento. Te amo ciegamente, navegando por tu cuerpo, lamiendo mi cuello, me entrego a tu voluntad, bajo tu hechizo y no me dejas escapar. Inolvidable, inolvidable, una maravilla que nunca podría negar. Inolvidable, y en un trance, una sonrisa que alumbra ese lugar. Inolvidable, bebé, inolvidable, bebé, inolvidable, inolvidable, una maravilla que no puedo faltar. No, puedo faltar. Miguelito.
Thanks so much for joining me for today's class. I hope that you enjoyed following it as much as I enjoyed leading it. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you can get updates when I upload more stuff like this. Also, be sure to take advantage of all of the content that I have on the internet, meaning my Patreon membership with its various tiers. Also, my website where I have my premium courses, dancedoctoronline.com. If you want to improve your body movement, if you want to improve your overall dancing technique, if you want to learn how to fully express yourself in a way that is unique to you, purchase one of my premium courses on my website, dancedoctoronline.com. And as I mentioned in the beginning, if you're interested in traveling to Cuba with me, transforming your dancing and changing your life, contact me at dancedoctoronline@gmail.com or visit my retreat website, ddretreats.com. Until next time, keep dancing.